What's up everyone, it's Jeff here. Welcome to the Expert Asset Overview video. So today I'm going to be talking about this company called Expert Asset and go over this presentation for you guys that you see here. In the description below you'll see the link to this presentation right here, this link that you'll see in the description box. This link also has, aside from the presentation, also has the link to register. If you want to register and get started with us on our team, you can do that by clicking the register now button. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go through with this presentation here. I'm going to actually start from the beginning. We'll do that first. So this is Expert Asset, EXP Asset, and basically what they are is they are a team of professional managers, traders, and analysts working in the field of capital markets, cryptocurrency trading, alternative investments, and IT startup investing. We're also engaged in educational activity in the above mentioned fields. Okay, so these guys are registered in the UK and Great Britain and has a share capital amounting to 250,000 pounds. So what this is it's an e-learning or educational platform. They have products and services where you can actually purchase and learn how to trade in the Forex and cryptocurrency markets. Okay, on top of that, there's a passive income attached with that, a binary compensation plan, okay, where you can earn passive income and also get bonuses from the binary if you qualify. So there's a passive income opportunity attached to this, along with an educational platform, which they tie into the products and services, which I'll get into later on into the presentation. Okay, but it's very important to kind of make that distinction. This is it's not really an investment platform, although you are going to be getting a profit share from the trading that they do. What you are purchasing is you're purchasing products and services related to learning how to trade in the currency markets. Okay. This is the CEO and the owner, Patrick Krupinski. You can actually take a look at his bio here. There's a short bio here in the presentation, but there's also, if you Google, and you'll come across this interview here at Comparic.com. They did a full interview with him, so you can actually go through this and just kind of read the questions and answers that they did with him and go over his background. He's a very well-known trader in Poland. Got his startup, when he was 16 in Luxembourg. Started securities trading and things like that. He then went on to the financial markets, which it says that he achieved and still does have a lot of success. As you can see, he started his own company here called Expert Asset. So basically what he had an opportunity to learn from the elite of German traders who are regarded as authorities on stock markets business. Then he worked for a huge broker in Poland, HFT, as a trader. And now basically he does portfolio management. He specializes in speculative-oriented trading, specializes in market mechanics, technical analysis, and trading systems. So he built this platform basically so that you can learn how to trade in the currency markets and also how to leverage the team of traders that he has, including himself, that trade for you and earn you profit share from the different packages that they have. And I'll go over that real quick when we get to it. But just so you guys are very clear, Expert Asset is a company that manages an investment and trading-oriented internet platform focused on investing in capital and currency markets, investing in cryptocurrency markets, investing in IT startups, cryptocurrency markets arbitrage. Okay, so they deliver unique tools and training programs that support active trading on capital and currency markets. So you're going to be getting access to products and services, learning products and services that will teach you how to trade in the markets if you want to do that. Okay, which I'll show you right here. Okay, so these are the different premiums that you can come into Expert Asset with. The prices of each of the plans, okay, and then what you will get for those costs here. So Expert Asset offers its users a 120-day paid access to an investment and trading platform by way of special variably priced premium plans, which allow users to buy products and services offered by Expert Asset. There's also a profit share that is combined or attached with that when you purchase the products, and I'll show you the examples there in a second. Okay, so each transaction between user and Expert Asset, buying products and services provided by Expert Asset platform, but also payments of financial profits, bonuses, and commissions, okay, which is made up of Bitcoin currency. So they take Bitcoin in this. You're going to be using Bitcoin to withdraw and deposit They also take Litecoin as well, I think, and I think they'll probably take Ethereum later on. But for right now, I would suggest you just stick with the Bitcoin. So Expert Asset Premium offers the users the possibility to gain financial profits that depend on profits generated by Expert Asset. So when you purchase one of these packages, one of these premiums, you're going to get access to one of these things here, these products, which I will talk to you about. But then you're also going to get gains, the trading profit share from the trading that they do. Okay, so for example, like Premium 1 starts at $100, so you can come in with as little as $100 in this, and then you'll get access to their live trading room platform. And what that is which is pretty cool, is every day from the hours of 10:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. Poland time, okay, because they are based in Poland, you're going to get access to a live trading room platform which you can log into. There's going to be a terminal. You'll see an MT4 terminal. You'll see the trader and the presenter, which he has his terminal open. You can see the trades that he's taking on that day. Okay, which is awesome. This is like the first time that you'll be able to see live trading proof right in front of your face, and you'll be able to interact with the trader because there's like a chat box in there. It's like a webinar room. There's a chat box in there. You can interact with the trader, ask him questions and things like that. He'll tell you what his logic is behind taking the trade, which is awesome, right? So based on that, you can just learn from the trader, take the same trades as he's taking, and just kind of make some profits that way. On top of that, you're also getting profit from the premium that you purchased in the plan. So, for example, here. For $100 for 120 days, the average calculation is anywhere between 0.5% and 1.5% a day. I think it says right here. So the bonuses are calculated on a daily basis, once a day, each working day, Monday to Friday, because they only trade Monday to Friday. There's no trading on the weekends. According to charge percentages, 0.5 to 1.5% determined by profits gained by Expert Asset. When the premium plan expires, users lose a chance of getting the bonus. So basically what that means is after 120 days, you can see here in this example, you're going to have to repurchase the package if you want access to that again. Okay, so it's up to you though. You can either withdraw it or you can repurchase it, but this is what you would earn for $100 initial for the first purchase of the plan. After 120 days, you'll get $120. And then what you can do is you can reinvest it, right? You'll get access to the live trading platform again. You'll get access to the trader and his trades, and on top of that, you'll also be earning on top of that on average a day 1% per day. Okay, so 120 becomes 144, and then if you repurchase again, 144 becomes 172.80. Okay, so the total amount of the bonus after 360 days, working days, Monday through Friday, is $172.80. Okay, so you get access to that for Premium 1, which starts at $100 and goes to $499. You'll get access to the live trading room platform. If you do Premium 2, which is $500 and up to $999, you're going to get access to the trading room platform. Plus, you will also get access to one trade idea daily. Okay. Now, what the trade idea daily is if you are a trader, or if you're, if you know how to trade, they'll provide you with a chart and an idea, and basically like a markup and a description, and they'll tell you, for a certain currency pair or whatever pair that they're trading for that day, they're going to tell you why this is going to go up or why it's going to go down. They're going to tell you if you should buy or sell, and they're going to give you the markup and the explanation and the reasoning behind why they're telling you to do that. So it's one trade idea daily, and you can also make money from that as well if you trade on your own. If you don't want to utilize the trade per day, that's fine. You can you'll still be earning from the profit from the trades every day, 1% a day. And from this example, you can see here 500 becomes 600, 600 becomes 720, and 720 becomes 864, right? So you're still earning passively, even though if you're not utilizing the services, you can still earn passively. But if you want to utilize the education platform and the services that you're purchasing, you can also make an extra money just from trading based on what they're giving you there. So access to the live trading room platform, one trade idea daily. That's Premium 2 for $500. Now, I would recommend, if you guys can, to come in at the $1,000 level because this is Premium 3 where you get access to the live trading room, the one trade idea daily, and you'll also get access to the webinars. Okay, And not only that, but at $1,000, which I will also get into later, is when you get activated in the binary bonus as well. Okay, so starting from $1,000, you can get activated in the binary bonus, and you'll also get access to these three things here, because the live webinars, you'll also get to interact with the traders. Okay, once a week they'll do a webinar. I think it's between 8 p.m. to 8:45 p.m. Poland time. And you'll get access to they're going to go over basically the trades for the week. They're going to tell you like how they traded, what they did, and why they took the trades they did. And you can listen in, take notes, ask questions, interact with them, and get the education from that, and trade yourself for the following week, or maybe just kind of like go over review the trades that they took for the week, and learn from that as well. All right, that starts at $1,000 and goes up to $4,999. Now, premium 4 and above, these are actually getting a little bit higher up. Premium 4 is going to cost you $5,000, at least $5,000, up to, you can see here that it's pretty crazy, $999,000. Up to, that's premium 4, and you get access to a fourth thing, which is a trading camp. Okay, so once per year, they send you away on a trading camp, basically. And you'll get, I think it's 2 days of training, and then 2 days of actual live practice with the traders and the mentors and the teachers in there, and it's like a seminar, like a trading camp seminar. Okay, and on top of that, what you'll also be earning from that still is the 1% per daily, the trade profit that they're earning. So 5,000 becomes 6,000, and so on and so forth. You can see here they actually give you the other amounts, so you can see how much you earn. Like 50,000 becomes 60,000. And so on and so forth. So after repurchasing the plan at the end amount of 360 days, you'll get 86,400. Just some ideas in your head, so you can see what kind of numbers you can earn with that. Okay, so premium 5, it's basically the same thing. It's just that you need to put in more than $1 million for this, and I think obviously a lot of people aren't going to be at that level. So I would recommend, like I said, coming in at least at the $1,000 level. If you can't come in that high, you can come in at 100. That's fine. At least get into the access to the live trading room, and also start earning from the binary, from the passive profits rather. But if you can come in at the 1,000, that would be best, because then you'd get the binary bonus as well. Okay. So next we're going to talk about the partnership program. Okay. So this is where we get into the binary, and I'll explain a little bit more on this. So by buying into the premium plan, the user is offered by Expert Asset an awesome partnership program geared towards promotion and distribution of products and services offered by the platform. Partnership program is based on binary MLM system, details of which you can find in the marketing plan. So let's go over this real quick. Each Expert Asset platform user is authorized to recruit other users to aid in distribution of Expert Asset products and services. Okay, now this is where we're talking about the binary component of the plan. And for those of you that are thinking, wow, I have to recruit people into this to make money, that's not true, because you can just earn money from the passive aspect of it by purchasing one of the premium plans, learning the education. If you want to learn the education and trade yourself, you can earn from that, but you're also earning passively from that, from the daily 1% per day anyways. Okay, you don't have to recruit anyone to do that, but if you were to recruit people and to build a team, you could also earn money from the binary compensation program, which is what I'm talking about right now. So for managing the sales structure and taking care of recruited members, both patron and new user will obtain a bonus related to revenue generated by the sales structure according to the marketing plan. Commissions are calculated according to point revenue and paid as 10% of the revenue difference between weaker and stronger group. So in a binary, there's a weak leg and there's a strong leg. There's two legs in a binary always. There's always one that's weaker than the other, and what they'll pay the bonus out on is they'll pay out on the weaker side. So let's say, in an example, there's $1,500 in volume on this side and $1,000 volume on this side. Since this side is weaker, you're going to get a 10% bonus paid out on the weaker side. So 10% of 1,000 is $100 bonus. Okay, so that's just the gist of it. Commissions are calculated according to, I just did that. Number 4, commissions are paid from the so-called weak group. Okay, and only qualified persons are authorized to collect commission. What that means is, to qualify, you need 2 people, one on your left and one on your right, active, and you'll be qualified for the binary to earn that bonus. Okay, all marketing plan commissions are paid within 24 hours. Okay, which is good. And okay, so this is just basically a diagram of what I just told you, right? So there's two legs in a binary. There's going to be a left group and a right group. And like I said, if there's a revenue of 1,000 in this group and a revenue of 1,500 in this group, this is going to be the weaker group because it's less, and you're going to get a 10% bonus, which is $100 from this side. Okay, so that happens every 24 hours. If people purchase, the plans or premiums, you're going to get bonuses on the weak side. So when you're in your dashboard and you're looking at which side to build, make sure that you guys are always building your weak side so that you guys are making sure that you're getting the most maximum benefit out of the bonus that you can. Okay. Additional bonus for active users with a premium plan, a minimum of $1,000, which is what I was just talking about. In Premium 3, you're going to be able to get access to a direct bonus in the binary. And what that means is that you're going to get an additional 8% bonus, okay, from the premiums that are purchased by your teammates and members. Okay, so if a person purchases also $1,000 Premium 3 plan like you did, you're going to earn, if they're in your if they're in that weak group, you're going to get a 10% bonus of $100 on that, and you're also going to get a direct bonus of $80. So for a total of $180 bonus that you get from just that purchase. All right. So the main goal is to create a universal platform dedicated to individual investors. Among the projects currently undertaken by Expert Asset right now, platform launch and maintenance. Obviously, this is always maintenance undergoing, and they're going to be opening a second office in Warsaw. Okay, in Poland, it's a Polish office and trading room in Warsaw. They have an office right now. I forget which city it is right now, but they're looking to expand and open a second office in Warsaw. Collaboration with major Polish and foreign traders. They have some of the best traders in the world on their team right now. Elite traders that are trading for you guys. And making the profits for you. And once again, you're also getting access to the live trading room where you can actually see them taking their trades, and you can see the profits being traded right in front of your eyes. That's something that I don't think any company is doing right now. That's the most transparency that you'll ever see, is you'll see the trades actually being taken by the company firsthand. So I think that's really cool. They're going to be trying to create their own brokerage house, which is awesome. Right now, currently, if you trade Forex, if you trade, currencies, you guys know that you need to go through a broker to do your trades. And a lot of times there's going to be commissions, there's going to be spreads, there's going to be fees and things like that you have to pay to the broker. And that eats away a lot of the profit. So if they're able to create their own brokerage house, that's going to save the company a lot. In fees and things like that. It's going to add to the bottom line, add to the company revenue, and therefore add to our profits as well. Starting our own payment system dedicated to servicing money transfers, especially high-risk microtransactions. Okay, and in the future, Expert Asset plans to concentrate not only on training, educational activities, but also on investing profits in cryptocurrency mining and markets, investing in capital and currency markets, investing in IT products and development, and alternative investments. Now this part right here, where it says cryptocurrency mining and markets, there's actually a matrix component attached to this, okay, which they just launched. This in pre-launch actually right now, which we'll see in the back office. I will be doing a separate video on that entirely because that really needs its own video, and I don't want to kind of drag this out in this overview video. But basically what that is going to be is there's going to be a matrix component where you can earn from the matrix, and also there's going to be a mining passive income mining attached to that as well, contract. So you can earn, there's going to be two separate streams of passive income you can earn. One is the daily 1% profit that you earn from the binary trading, and there's also a second component, which is the mining. So you have two streams of passive income if you want to earn from this without having to recruit anyone if you don't want to, okay? And if you do, it's actually, obviously you're going to get more chances to earn through the bonuses. All right, so we welcome you to join us. Obviously, like I said, you guys can take a look at this presentation link in the description below. I'll have this link for you. You'll have access to this presentation, all the slides here, and you'll also have a link that says register now. You just click on that if you want to register and get started with our team today. I'll also have a link for you guys to our Facebook group, okay, so that you guys can take a look and ask some questions in there. If you have, you'll get access to me as well in the Facebook group. I will answer your queries if you have. You also have comments and the comment section here under the video. You can also ask questions there. I'll answer those best of my ability. But if you guys found that helpful, if you guys found that good, please go ahead and click the link in the description and get started with us, get registered with us, and join our Facebook group, and then we'll get started and get you positioned. Okay, so this is going to get you positioned early in the group. This is a pre-launch phase, like I said, so we haven't really started to roll this out yet. It's a good time for you to get positioned. All right, so that's going to do it, and I'm going to end the presentation here. And if you guys have any questions, like I said, please message me, and that's going to do it for this presentation. Thanks a lot, guys.